Greetings in the name of the Most High, Queen Selassie I Jah. Candy from what they may watch you under fire something there, you know. I don't like how it now flare up. I have to light the fire for you. They're up on the stage again. I have to light the fire. Good morning. How you doing? How you doing? Jamaica hat. Remember Jamaica hat, you know. Good afternoon. Remember, you know. I have to come and come go and look positive. Got too much negative upon the internet. We know Jamaica one place where the people them love, but them choose who them want love. And them choose who them want hate. Remember, you know, imagine me go to Reggae Sunfest. One of the biggest staging. And remember me I tell you say, when I look back on the internet, I see everybody a jump up and I say Masicka and Kartel a war. How them create a narrative there? Because Joshie come up and come say something. Nobody now talk about governor go on good. Governor call out his mother. Governor give him mother a car. They are keep on the stage. Nobody now talk about Masicka lock down the show. Nobody now talk when time Kartel run out and the whole man take a beer. For almost the whole of the man set. The slowest part of Kartel set when them a give him the crown. And the little stampede go on. Remember, I crowd me there. I remember me have all access to everywhere. Remember me have access to everywhere, you know. But some people were never even there at the show. Them look on the TV and see two little highlights. And I just be a negativity. Want to the positive side. I want to talk about Shannon Muir going good. I be a negative, the people in my run with. I saw the love when time people had ads. Boy, that's why I'm going to come live again like one time, you know, because you don't know you come on and say two things, them take your words and throw it on one part and say, Richie did say. Remember, you know, the show did nice. The show never boring, it never long, it never drawn out. You don't have no time for you to talk about. It's time I want to go get a drink. It's a cigarette break, this show nice. And when you're the backstage, let me tell you something. See, backstage, no vibe, no run a backstage. And when you're in the crowd, you feel the vibes of the crowd. Governor come out and kick down the place, may I tell you. Man come kick down the place, big up governor. Know far the youth that come from. When the man carry out all the phone box. Yo, I say me catch a piece of bad mind when I see the man call out his mother. When the man call out his mother and his mother come out. And she say, me tell her say if you go on good. I'm proud of you. How the man mother go on over him. Yo, I say a piece of bad mind catch me. Yo, that you not even know. The people them now look on the positive part of nothing. I be a negative the people them around it. Every site you look on, everywhere you look on, them a turn Masicka against Kartel. Them a turn Kartel against Masicka. Every day so. We understand the controversy sell, but come on, man. Masicka locked down the show for 1 hour straight. Kartel locked down the show 1 hour straight. Nobody now talk about the good part of the show. Even though the stampede go on, nobody not even know why the stampede go on. I know we don't know why it go on, you know. I know we don't know, but they don't know sometimes some little thief and some little people they in some place. At the Rame Sunfest for the longest while. Rames. Big up the organizer them. And one problem me have. And the traffic. Them never monitor the traffic good. They never monitor the traffic good. And that's the problem they alone me have. See? And that's that alone. Remember me have to walk from Sunfest because we run a secrets. Because I tell us the place you can't move. I walk for about 35 minutes. Yo, you know how long I walk so. But I was a good walk still. Big up Sunfest organizer them. See? Because Sunfest was always an incident-free show. Big up my artist King. Remember King, I'm a young artist, you know. Big up King. And anyway, King, the excitement that will come. Big up King. If you look a young youth can come on after Vybz Kartel and come go on good. And then a joke thing. Where your name can they apply where you want name. About 3 years now, I don't hear from you, you know. Done with you, you know. Pet, where you stress me? You can't go on like a live alone and you can't hear me from or see me from it. Why me I tell you no? Nah lie. Big up everybody, it's long time I don't come on and see you know. It's good to see you know. It's good to see you know. I hope you all doing well. And I make stress a kill you know. Nobody call me you know. Because if me ever see a number come up and I ever call me, try remember me not answer. Nobody with that. Everybody have them thing I go through, but nobody not go through nothing for 3 years. Love me, yeah? Try nobody call me. Love me. I'm grown out. Gaza Princess. Easy LA Posh. Me not gonna answer. You just try know that. A 3 phone number me have you know. Try remember that one day. Matter of fact 4. Cooler man. How you feeling? Wanna feel a way? I don't feel a way. How you feel? Where Spice there? Done it Spice, you know. Me hate her. Remember me hate her, you know. Talia, remember you know you have to hold my number them. Talia, you have to hold my number them. Even though me hate you, but you have to hold my number them. Boy, we still go down in that king something. I'm not entertain nobody with the king argument. I'm not do it. I leave that to the internet. Because everybody have their own opinion. Smooth face, I don't even chat to you, you know. Go on. You know, sister, you're wicked. Last time me hear from you when? March. When them bust up the boy head. I last time that me hear from you. Go on allow me. I remember when I come to England, I not look for you neither. Lady Nita, good morning. Hey, let me tell you another thing. I just looking at the paper a while ago and I see, when I see one man get 6 years of prison for manslaughter for the killing of a little boy. Little boy a 6-year-old. And him force the little boy to eat food and beat the little boy and the little boy dead. Somehow the woman, having the children them, don't like to put man over on the kids too much. Always remember, say, your child is your responsibility. You can't sit and allow some of them man to be father and they pick the life when them don't know to be father, none at all. A man worse, he never was even a father before. I know some are lonely. I know some are think good on the front. But it's sad. Nobody now protect the future again. The future look for protection and the protection not dead. You understand? It's rough. Because me now we say all that now. How me feel? I can't slide past that. I have to talk about it. Ladies don't need to stop it. Stop put man over on the kids. I'm not talking about the big tough 25, 26-year-old. I'm not talking about the vulnerable young and innocent. You look at data. I see all one next news last week again. Where one man pimp out him stepdaughter and him daughter. Have boy come at the yard, have sex with them, and them are some minor little baby picking them for years. And the mother looking at one of them phone and say, because he must send them back the things. Why? It's rough in a society, boy, you know, man. I tell you, it's rough in a society. You have your daughter, you own a daughter. After a girl did that, dash what you all about. I'm still never ever understand that. I never ever understand that. How you touch your daughter, how you touch a little child, where the big girl them there. All girl me love, you know. I love young girl, you know. All girl. Long down slippers titty. Experience or them me a deal with. I don't want to broke out nobody. I don't want to teach nobody nothing. All girl we get them own teaching already and broke out like so already. Don't do everything already. I mean, I tell you, say the money, yo. We need a law if you just know, say, yo, either you go mash them up in a life or broke them up or something. And the real thing, man, we are do with young girl. Remember, say, a whole heap of man go through them midlife crisis, you know, and a whole heap of man struggle with them self-esteem issue, you know. When them young, them couldn't get a woman, you know. And them get big and have a little money and now and them start pride on the innocent, you know. 13 and 14 and 15. When me a do around the so, when me a do around at 20, when me a do around them age there. Old girl. Most a little bit of mileage left she have on her ton. She so experienced that's all dust could have come out her front one at a time. Pet, I in my yard me there. Me in my yard, pet. Me in my yard. When me a come back a Philly, November 1st, man, flipper party. November 1st is a big thing. Remember, you know, look out for me down there, Philadelphia. Flip a big party in birthday bash. Richie Feelings book. Remember, I play everywhere. I play a 9-night, play a funeral, baby shower, corporate, everything. Pet, you can't stay there. Feel like I'm living in my car. I actually live somewhere. And I come to Florida. And I come to Florida again. October something. I don't remember. October something. Paper, God is good. Life I treat me well. I can't complain. If me ever complain, God send me. Life is treating me very well. All I who knows that life is life in. But don't give up. Don't give up. You have to know if you hold out. Sometimes God give you some tests, you have to just know, say, you have to hold out. You have to hold out. Because if you don't plan for hold out, you have to mash up. Kill a fella. See, in our white suit, what day? Like I'm married, you got married. Yeah. How come we never was at Reggae Sunfest? I was at Reggae Sunfest. I was there. But show me up in the media and I push up. I was with the regulars in the crowd like a regular patron. I ask the people in the secrets if me never done that. Ask Spice if me never done that. Ask Kartel if him never see me down there. Ask Governor them if them never see me down there. Me there them man and just only never see me. Cause me no post. Sometimes and everything if you post. If you just put on your phone and enjoy the show. So that me do me put on my phone and enjoy the show. Nah, tell a lie, good to soon. It's good to soon. It's like me have something for go now. I have to go and hold out people. Don't watch when the next man have. Everybody rich nowadays, you know. Everybody rich nowadays. Everybody rich. And I need to tell you this. In our music what we have, God bless the few friends them we have in our music. Not only a friend in our music. A little bit of friend in our music. A little bit of friend. And mostly hypocrite. Because everybody rich. Everybody want that one the spot. Nobody not alright with for them position of them there. And nothing wrong if you talk about yourself. Nothing wrong. You're supposed to talk about yourself because self-praise is the first recommendation. Nobody come tell you about self-praise is no recommendation. So if I not talk about myself, I will talk about me. You are the best representation of yourself. No man, I never want the backstage. You can't enjoy a show backstage. You have to watch it on the screen. When you're in the audience, you get better entertainment. You can know if who the people them feel or who the people them like from who them not like. Some people just go a show if you say them go a show. You have to go a show if you go enjoy yourself. Yeah, so majority of the time I be a fake unity go on. Be a fake unity. And everybody see it's obvious. Kartel in a top farm. Kartel, then I'm peak right now. I enjoy every moment of him career. Because in the early stage of him career, him never did I get to travel. He did have a bag of problem. So now, him at a better place in a life right now where I get to go everywhere. Remember saying, no, we no deny Kartel, you know. So, all of that work that Kartel put in. I mean, I want nobody come talk about Kartel not have no hot song. Kartel have enough hot song we still hot up to the day. Yeah. Because remember, hot song and hit song are two different things. Hot song will last for 6 months. Hit song lasts for a lifetime. Like call Shabba Motherpot. A hit song that. Clark's a hit song. You understand? It's like you ever say, Bojo have no hot song. Bojo have hit song. You understand? When you're a performer and people love you, you can't dead for hungry. You only need one hit song and you can't dead. Look man, say like you say Chaka Demos and Pliers not hot. Them not hot. But them have hits every week. Tantomech and Devante. When last one, someone didn't even know who named Tantomech and Devante. And them sing Everyone Falls in Love sometime. And them they on all of the peak show them in America. Them they all about. Because that's a hit song. You see me? So nobody now go come draw me now. No animosity and no controversy. Because of the truth, me I tell them. If you don't want to hear the truth, don't ask me nothing. Every man a king. I have generation of kings. Them me no king. They no King Richard my name. Remember me a king in my own way, you know. But remember say enough king no get no crown in them town. So if you follow the internet and be people are going in argument. But what me no want to no do, no have to just leave it up to the local young people them. I remember say most entertainers are divas. Most entertainers are divas. And let me tell you this. Me not feel like if you big you up, you know. I mean, know enough people don't like me neither. And that is fine. But if me see you go on good, nothing wrong if me big you up. Nothing wrong if me say, yo, yeah man, a bad artist, a bad selector, nothing wrong. But every man was supposed, even if you're an entertainer, you're supposed to remember say you're a king. And every man can lead, you know. But every man remember say them a king. So more if we not gonna get up and a walk down the whole place and a war every day. Alright, now everybody has show them true colors. Everybody has show them true colors. Your colors can't hide. Just like a woman. Every woman a queen. But them don't know if you wear them crown. You start out as princess. And then you turn queen. But oh, you know, but you still want to be princess. Go for your queenship. And when you're a queen, you can't be a butter bean or a tin of sardine. Kaya wagwan. You don't know when I go come and come tell you no foolish. You say if you are the leader of your household, you're a king. And if you're a leader in your household, you're a queen. You have many kings, many queens. Generation of kings, generation of queens. I see yesterday I talked to one of my friends and she said she there in New York and she want to get a Uber. But she want to get to the Bank of America for put the money on her card. And she link how much people, over 10 people in America, in New York. And she want somebody to send her $30. She don't live there, you know. She live in Jamaica, but you know she up for the holiday. But you want, her mother there, but you want to go on the road. Everybody knows that when you live in America, when you don't have a car, a Uber you have to use, as everywhere far. She wanted $30. And nobody where she know couldn't send her $30. Nobody at all where she know couldn't lend her. Remember now she wanted to beg, she wanted to borrow till she go to the Bank of America. The Bank of America, they like half hour. And me look on that every day and say, I be a fake rich people. Be a fake rich. Because if you look on the internet, everybody rich. Me say the next thing again and me laugh. Me laugh. But the Ants family name. Remember me doing music 20 a year. And me never own a Hardy. And me see the Ants family come out with a Hardy. A Hardy put up papers for it. I remember say last month before the Hardy, them never have no door. Them never have no toilet. Them never have none of them something. They know them have Hardy. So I'm kind of confused. So I trick everybody, I trick the internet and I prank the internet. Everybody I trick the internet with fake rich. Remember me rich, you know. Me rich. But here my rich is gone now. Me healthy. Me not hungry. Me youth them not suffer. My father not dead for hungry. I have some people in my circle where it's a healthy relationship we have. So, I'm rich. Because you have some people look by you and think that through them saying a Louis Vuitton or a Gucci, you're rich. Those are just brands, big name brands. Because Walmart closed them a brand too, but only thing show them a Walmart or Shein. You see me? So you have different type of riches. So if you're rich in a clothes, me understand. But a be Mackins. Zine? So it's like me, go Sabama, me have 200,000 people for me following. That no mean 200,000 people like me. Them not even know me. Some of them just click follow and they remember say them follow me. Them not care about me like that. Following get to people. Zine? What are the new way for rich right now? Once you're healthy, you're not struggle mentally. Are the really rich is that? You can get up, go a river, you can drive, go to Coney Island, if you're there Mercs. If you're there England, you can go up on the motorway and drive, go in a different part. You see me? I remember, you know, I not speak poor over myself, you know. I mean, nobody call me and I come talk about. When I say, Wagwan, I'm a general, Blade, Wagwan, here Blade, he might look for me the better one. Oh, me the better one. And me and you, they are road, we know they are prison. You know, I see them give a man 100 years. I see them give a next man 4 life sentence. I see them give a next man 25 life sentence. Zine, you have to remember say a whole heap of people are struggle mentally. Zine? And not because a man wear a big brand. That no mean say your brand where you have any more than you. It's wicked boy, yeah. Big up all who have your 9 to 5 and can pay your bill them easily. You not struggle to pay your bills. Because a whole heap of people are struggle to pay them bills right now. And every day we look on the news, we hear them talk about ICE, we hear them say, boy, you know, immigration laws change, and we hear some whole heap of things. So whole heap of people are struggle because, you know, them put in them papers, whole heap of people go say, man, I go through some whole heap of things, and them a ball. And I say, Star, what me I go do? Whoa, a murder. And everything on the internet you have to follow. Don't follow everything on the internet, because the internet, you can get some whole heap of misinformation. And even the same AI something here with them bring in now. I want wicked something. Mr. Andre. I want wicked something them bring in the AI something here. Sometimes, why think I go live like one time? I used to go live, you know. I don't know some used to go live, whole heap. But I not go live whole heap again. I just, I don't like me can't go. Because every week we're somewhere different now. And we can go live and show the place and rare. But it's like, sometimes you have to take a time out and meditate. And reflect back on the real and the righteous. Because everybody lose them way and I see how much things they see are going. And every time you look at the negative things, you see the positive things, them are hide around on some part. The good things, them now go viral. Perfect example. I see a man when I have no hand on a reggae sunfest. A policeman backs him. And say, man, chuck him. Me have to laugh. Other man, they will not have no hand for chuck you. The man have no hand. No hand, you know. Policeman lick him in his face. Let me see another video. Him a DJ. Remember say, I the nook him hold the nook and him arm and have the mic in his mouth. So. See? And a DJ. I mean I see that go viral. Me not see that go viral, you know. You know why it not go viral? Because I not dead him dead. Him not kill nobody. Police not have him on wanted Wednesday. And no negativity. Nobody not see that positive. They will say him not look no help from nobody. Him want to be an artist and him have the mic under him nook. Him have the mic under him nook, you know. Them something that will go viral. Make the world see it. I remember ambition is a gift, you know. But not for we not grow with the ambition. We born with that gift there. Everybody born with ambition. Because if from you can creep and then you get up and you walk. Ambition that. A big ambition that. One of the biggest problems we have in Jamaica is the entitlement. Entitlement. The biggest problem we have in Jamaica is entitlement. Everybody is entitled to people things. Everybody entitled. Richie, what happened? Give it to a Sunfest pass. You see me there on Sunfest? You see me on Sunfest? When me I play down one road, down a McGregor Gully. You not call me and say, Richie, me see you play down a McGregor Gully. One month, me go down a Ream and a Richie. One dance a keep a guard, me go down there, no? But as soon as you see Sunfest and Tony Braxton and Ray Ray, you remember say you have Richie number. I don't want to link Richie, but me sorry for disappoint you know. Me not take on a call. Me not take it. Me not take it. I don't know yourself. Because I know what I call me for. You can't ask me for the people in pass. When time me there one place and no for you where link me, show you know say me and Spice a friend. Stop link me. Me not giving Spice no message for you. Me not giving Spice no message for you. Me not do it. Because you feel like say the quickest way for reach to Spice is through Richie. I lie when I tell you. I lie when I tell. I lie when I tell. Me know say that you know what. Me if you beg Spice for you. Me not know from nowhere, you know, but me if you beg Spice for you. I'm on a good day. You never talk to me yet. Me I never go through nothing yet. But me, you know, if I link Spice and beg Spice for you. Now, I've got push you no luck somewhere else, because no luck. Now, they run at the party. So before me get ignorant and cuss, let me just put it out there. I don't carry the message for you. I don't do it. When the message I go get lost. Okay? I just make you know. Nobody ask me if you know dream weekend pass. I don't know the people who keep dream weekend. Nobody ask me if you know best weekend ever pass. I don't have it. I don't have it. I don't have no link. I don't have no contact. Okay? Thank you. I'm going to find out something about myself what there. Find out something about myself. I like peace. I don't love war. I like tranquility. I can't bother with the division and them something. I realize it's not good for me. I live more better when I'm at peace. When me and nobody know in a casket and a cuss. I like the life for me I live right now. Right? Me and nobody know in a controversy and no bag of crosses. I'm still going to tell you to say fuck pan at. And that is the truth. It make you ball out. More wicked money. I like it. People, no, I am a Leo. Next month I'm my birthday. Them a plan to give me a statue over Euro Circle for my birthday. Yeah, the inauguration of Richard Bailey. Look out for it. Them a discuss it in a parliament right now. Big statue may I get before Usain Bolt. I know what I run at them because it's a big thing for the country. Remember, them a pave off one whole road for me and name 3 streets off of me. And some whole heap of something. Right, let's say, remember, you know. Big inauguration. One of the laugh off of a thing, I feel like a joke thing. So me I tell you no, yo God no. And for me I tell you what them are going to give me boy ya. The 22nd, big thing I go on for me. When I come laugh like when I feel like a joke, you so me I tell you not try to stop my riches. You see when you see it? John was there. Pet. Me da got that money can do my body, but me allow it. Me I go and age gracefully. Me that got that money can take down the whole of my picture them off of social media. Me that take down the whole of my picture them. And then come back with a new body. And me gonna say, oh, I would have knew you up on Richie page. New body, oh this. Overdose Entertainment. Wagwan. Remember, you know. Me reconsider and say, yo, me nah bother got that manica. Me nah bother take out my picture of them, you know. And the whole body I me I work with. So, if you don't want to see the whole body, love it. Come say me I take out the fat out of my belly and put it in my body. Because you know say, them say fat man nah have nothing, so me I go and hold it. Y'all them cuss me all the while and say, look at teeny weeny me have. So I say, alright, my self-esteem thing low. So, me I build up my self-esteem. That man can't do it. And I save up the money. So me I save up the money and John was there. My name have the money. My name have the money, people. John was. I have to save over back. Probably next year when we reach 50, I'm going to do my body and give them a new 50. What want to say? But yeah, people that live in Canada, this Sunday, don't know we are the Queen over Montreal. All I want to come out in the tens and thousands, Luciana. We are go over there. And this Saturday over Baltimore. How the feeling? Alright? On the decks. Now that me I tell her Stacey, me nah bother do it. Me have to build up back the money. Can't bother get for the channel star. Yeah, me have to save over back the money cause remember, you know, self-esteem and mash me up. Y'all them a say thing too liquor. Y'all them a say the thing too liquor, be. Y'all them a say a 3 chunk them a deal it. Yo, God no. That means say anytime when you see me, I'm take off my shirt because I do my abs them too, you know. Remember, I do my abs them, you know. I do the whole of my something them, you know. I want to feel like when you can mash me up, boy, yeah. Anytime when you see me back again, I'm good all, me I go through all a midlife crisis, I'm good all put in all to something on my ear and grow a little ear too. Because remember, when you see me, I go say, I can't Sanja boy this. I really Sanja boy that. Put in little birds in my ear, you know. And galang ya with myself.